Hello, I'm Kahn, Hybrid Coordinator for Oregon State University's Center for Teaching and Learning and eCampus. My co-presenter, Erica Fleming of Penn State, and I are excited to talk with you about comparative approaches to engage faculty in hybrid course redesign. Hybrid faculty learning communities are the centerpiece of the OSU Center for Teaching and Learning's program to support faculty development for instructors implementing blended learning on campus. These FLCs are offered twice yearly. Each one has a cross-disciplinary cohort of 8 to 12 faculty who receive professional development funding for FLC participation and redesign of an existing course as a reduced seat time hybrid. Learning communities are offered in a 10-week hybrid format with 5 90-minute face-to-face meetings spaced at 2-week intervals. One of the most valuable elements of FLC participation is that faculty experience what it's like to be a learner in a hybrid course. I'd also like to mention research we've conducted. In 2016 and 19, the Center for Teaching and Learning surveyed on-campus hybrid course instructors to identify best practices in hybrid teaching. The surveys found strong consensus on 11 highly effective hybrid teaching practices. When you scan the QR code on our poster, you'll see a list of these practices among our conference materials. In the surveys, 4/5 of the faculty also reported that their teaching practices had changed as a result of teaching hybrid courses. These changes included more active learning and flipped learning, greater integration of online and in-class learning, better course organization, and improved LMS and online tool use. Looking to the future, we're placing increased emphasis on developing faculty capacity to use blended pedagogy across the board in on-campus courses. Now I'm going to turn it over to Erica.
Hi, as Cub mentioned, my name is Erica Fleming and I'm an instructional designer at Penn State. I focus on creating faculty development surrounding blended learning, creativity in the classroom, and digital fluency for both students and faculty. When Cub and I originally planned this poster session, our intentions were to compare the blended programs at our two universities and hopefully spark some conversation with others who offered blended faculty development as well as others who might be interested in starting their own programs. We would like to share ideas and resources with you and hopefully have you share with us as well. And we would still really like to invite those conversations. So we really encourage you to reach out to Cub or to me to have some discussion and perhaps collaborate a little bit on the way that we're running our programs. I'd also just like to mention and acknowledge the craziness of our recent transitions at many of our institutions to remote teaching and how that's changed faculty development at all of our institutions. Blended faculty development has played a pretty big role in supporting our faculty in this kind of unprecedented time for our university. As of this recording, Penn State has made no official announcement about whether our summer sessions will be online, fully online, or in person in residential, but we're currently planning for the possibility of fully online. And as a result, we've been working on possibilities for a mini Blend LT, so a mini program that focuses on blended learning in a different way, focuses on it as synchronous versus asynchronous and fully online rather than in online versus face-to-face. So figuring out how we can best support our faculty in this online environment, but utilizing the resources that we have already created. We still plan to run Blend LT this summer in its revised state, and I'm really excited about that. But in the meantime, we're focusing on how we can best support our faculty and students in the immediate future. So again, thank you for taking the time to check out our poster and to listen to this video. And again, Cub and I really encourage any conversation that you would want to have with us. So please reach out. Thanks so much.